Well, good morning and welcome to my channel. My name's Dave and finally I am out in 2026. So it's the middle of February. It's going to be me and Scott today. Not 100% sure where we're going, but it might be the Oily Rag and then back up to Bridgnorth. Welcome. The sun's out, the roads are soaking wet and sludgy, but we don't care. Let's get on with it. So it's been a long time, hasn't it? There's been some good reasons for that. But today, God, these roads are so bad since the last time I come out. Today, we was going to get on the Oily Rag with Scott and Si. Si's got a new bike. But Si's having problems, so unfortunately he won't be coming, so it's just me and Scott on his Brutale. But to save Scott's back, we're going to just pop down the Paul Hall Cafe at Bridgnorth and have a bit of a catch-up. So you're welcome to come along for the ride. It's been so long since I've been on the bike, I've actually forgotten how to do everything. So this morning was a right faff. Trying to get the bike set up. I had to sort the chain out, put a bit of lube on it, blow the tyres up. But yeah, head was all over the place. I was like, what have I forgot to do? But it's been a while, so I finally nearly gotten over the back operation I had last year. So I had quite a big operation on my back. I had, in the end, it's sort of on my shoulder blade area. I had a 5 by 4 inch chunk of skin taken out from my back, which it wasn't too bad. I've never been in hospital before or had an operation, so I went into it with, wonder, really. So I'm not going to say I enjoyed it, but it was something new, something I hadn't experienced before. But as they was going in there and, digging out all the crap, he actually said to me, unfortunately, we've got to go in quite far and cut some muscle out as well. So I ended up with a stack of stitches, and what I couldn't do, I couldn't reach out with my arms because I would have pulled the stitches out. So I'll navigate this corner, soaking wet and sludgy. So yeah, that's it really. And then it took a hell of a long time to heal, but I think I'm mostly there now. I've just got sort of a dull ache in the back, so the stitches on the outside, they've gone and it's all healed up nicely, but inside there's some real tough stitches which take forever to dissolve. And I can still feel them a little bit in there. But yeah, pretty much ready now. I've got no pain while I'm on the bike, so I'm all good. So I thought today, with the sun out, would be a good day to start off 2026 and just have a quick bimble out. So let's get on down there. We can go, if you were to look at your sat-nav from where I am at Himley, you can go down Swindon way to the Paul Hall Cafe, which is a lot quicker, but they're sort of lane roads, like smaller roads, B roads. They are full of potholes, but after the rain we've been having for the last month, they will be just sludge as well. Absolutely terrible they'll be. So we're going to go the long way around, which is the normal way, which is up to Bridgnorth. Here he goes. In fact, I've missed that. I'll tell you, I've really missed doing that. So Scott's Brutale, he's loving that bike. It's an amazing bike, but it's saying it's too much for the road. It's so quick and so jumpy, so he wants to wheelie all the time. I remember when I had a Fireblade back in the day, that wanted to do that as well. I think I only had it for 2 weeks, and then I took it back to the garage because I was going to kill myself on it. So I'm not sure what Scott's going to do with his bike, but God, what a shame it'd be to swap that, because it's a beautiful bike. Yeah, and it's not the most comfortable either, so thought we'd save his back today. But let's go and enjoy the beautiful British countryside, shall we? Our spring's upon us. Come on, spring. But also, while I've been, in healing mode, trying to sort my body out, I've managed to put all the weight back on that I lost before the operation. So I went on like my own little fasting plan and exercise plan because the operation was coming up. So I did that, got really fit, so give myself the best chance of recovery, etc. But obviously not being able to do anything at all, really, man, it didn't take too long, but yeah, all the weight's come back on. So I think I'm actually the biggest now that I've ever been. Like, this is the biggest Dave sort of thing. So now I'm all healed and that, and spring's upon us. I'm going to start walking again, then I'm going to start little hikes again, then I'm going to start some major hikes. So I'm going to try and build my body back up. Also going to cut down on all the sugary crap, do it properly like I did last time. So hopefully by the summer I should be nice and fit and ready for anything really, unless something else happens, which seems to be half of the course at my age, unfortunately. I feel like my body's just giving up. There you go, still riding, still loving it. Right, let's get down the calf, see who's there. Look at that. It's an American. They're all American cars, aren't they? Sweet. Stick mine here. Stick it next to this white car, can't we? That'll do it. Yeah, I'm in. Quickest way back then. I'm sick of sludge. Okay. Sweet. So, I don't think my mic worked from the last cafe. We've just been to the cabin, so we came from the Paul Hall cafe in Bridgnorth, and we just went to this one down in I don't actually know where it is. It's like Kidderminster way, that sort of way, Wire Forest. Lovely little cafe at the way, nice hot chocolate. And we're just going to make our way back up now, but we're going to take the long way home. The roads are drying out a little bit, but still crap. The potholes that we've seen, man, we'd have hit one of them, we'd have been half of that. That's so bad. I don't know how they get away with it. But yeah, proper gone downhill from last year. There was nowhere near that many potholes last year. Let's see what this road's like. This road's usually really nice. Just gonna make our way to Highley. Get Scott some petrol because his bike's saying he's got 0 miles, but yet when he stands still it says he's got half a tank. So these Italian bikes, you've either got 1 mile or 100. We don't know which, so just to be safe, we're going to put some fuel in. God, these roads are scary, man. You don't know what you're going to hit, do you? Pothole, oil, sludge, or traffic or gravel. Welcome to sunny Bridgnorth. Have a look at this river. My God. That is mental, isn't it? Yeah. She's been to the toilet without stopping. The learner biker in front. So, how have you guys been doing? How are you? You been alright? It'd be great to have a two-way, but not possible, is it? Unless I go live, and then I think I'll be illegal. Hope you're okay anyway. Looking forward to spring and the summer. Hopefully this rain, this bad weather's going to do one now. That's the hope anyway. I just hope it stops at some point. It's rained constantly since after Christmas. Unbelievable. But yeah, hope for a nice spring and to get out a lot more. Can't wait for that. I'll try and keep up with him now, you know. We should give him we should chaperone him all the way home. sit back, salute him and show him respect. He's got a big L on the back for lost. They should have a mini MotoGP circuit round here. There's some great roads for it. Woo, it's windy now. Right, time to get home and get this thing cleaned. It is absolutely filthy, man. I don't even know if it was worth it. It was absolutely terrible. The roads are horrendous. But yeah. Let's go and lick this beauty clean. Well, that was a nice little ride out, but was it worth it? What a state. So I'm going to give it a washy now, and I'll see you in the next vid. Alright, thanks for watching, see you in a bit.